some chips here and they list all these ingredients. We have chips, sliced bananas, sliced cucumbers, and chocolate spread, chocolate chips, sliced apple, tomatoes, jam, butter, cheese, nachos. Now who's going first?
This both are mine.
Who's going first? Stone, Stone, paper, scissors, shoot.
No.
I go first. Now take a bread slice, put it on my plate.
Bread is so clean.
I'll choose this one. I have.
I don't want my enemies.
Chocolate spread.
They're going to attack me. I don't
Now
like this.
we have some chocolate spread. Let's spread it.
Chocolate spread. You got chocolate spread?
Yes. Got chocolate.
Amazing!
You're gonna get tomatoes, cucumber, bananas,
I don't like bananas.
maybe
Not the
butter.
bread. I like this and my favorite.
And you're going to get everything bad.
That looks like Nutella.
Yes.
But Nutella is way more tastier and harder.
Yes.
Soft.
Okay, I'm done. Now it's your turn.
Okay, I'm going to take a sip.
What is it? What is it? You got cucumber.
Cucumber.
Here you go. Here you go. It's not bad.
I'm going to put 4 slices.
4.
That's what bread means.
Now it's time for the second round. Stone,
You.
paper, scissors. Stone, paper, scissors, shoot. You again.
I'm going to take this now. Stairs for the stairs.
Tomato.
My enemy
Got all the vegetables. Eat your vegetables.
This is my enemies.
No. Eat your vegetables. Okay. Now it's my turn. Chocolate chips. Good.
What are you? Getting all the nice things.
Chocolate chips. I'm gonna put a lot of. Wait, it's dark chocolate. I like dark chocolate.
My favorite. My favorite. My favorite. And I can't get it then.
No. Now it's your turn. No, wait. My turn.
What if I put scissors?
I think bananas will be good. Okay. One.
My best.
I don't like any chocolate with.
This is my friends and that's my enemies.
Okay, I think
You don't like it? You don't like it with the chocolate chips and
now it's your turn.
not on this.
Butter.
Butter.
Got butter.
Will this match?
Think so.
Get
Have to get more, but
I don't know how to spread it.
oh yeah. It's your finger. Yeah. Put it on the tomato. Then
Yeah, let's put it on the
spread. Okay, spread it on the tomato.
I can spread it.
Use your other spoon.
Take it up.
Ha ha ha. You need more cheese. I mean butter, more butter.
Get in.
Okay, you have to take more than that. Okay, yes. Okay, now is stone, paper, scissors.
Stone, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ha, me again. Now what is in this? Got apple. That's not bad. Not bad, not bad. I'll put.
We got all of
I don't like this
picking here.
combination.
We got all of picking.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Wait,
An apple a
you're
day.
putting healthy food with junk food.
It's gonna be blasted one day.
Will the doctor come?
Blasted with acid.
Now it's your turn.
It's only a little bit more.
Got cheese. Oh, I wanted cheese. Okay, I can take the cheese.
I'm gonna take it with the cover first.
Take the cheese. Cheese, not cheese. Okay, there goes the cheese.
Good to see.
Your sandwich looks like a real sandwich. Mine looks like a dream. Now, rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, shoot. Oh. I want bananas or nachos. Oh, you got banana, which means I can get jam or nachos. One banana, two banana,
This is
three
not
banana,
very
four.
sanitized.
Now is my turn.
It's only fun.
Oh, jam. Don't like jam.
I really want this.
No one got that.
So last one is going to be me.
Now where's the spoon? Ah, there. Take so much
I wanted this
jam.
That's a lot.
This.
Look at the spread it, bro. Look at the spread.
Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Now,
Now it's my turn.
where's the final part? We have one more chit in the bowl, and that is, of course, for nachos. So, who will get the nachos? Stone, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes! I don't have to open it. I got the nachos. You have a healthy sandwich. My sandwich is I have two healthy stuff. Fully is jam healthy?
I don't know what it is. Putting a lot.
I have all the good
Putting a
stuff.
lot.
He have all the bad stuff.
Putting a lot. Putting a lot.
Now, let's put the top on.
I'm gonna eat
Now,
now.
let's eat it.
Mine's is not going to taste that good.
Did you put it correctly?
I don't have it. I don't have it. Buy this.
I taste chocolate.
Not too bad. I didn't get the bananas. Yummy. My enemies are gone.
Hope you liked the sandwich, friends. Comment down below. Whose sandwich do you think tastes better?
Mine is super good.
It's better. Subscribe for more videos. Hit the bell button for notifications. If you like the video, please give us a like. Bye for now.